only man I get me taking a quamon, I'm yes, we're done. Uncle Father, I said, and I get the mumma. Now, and my liking, can the Igbo celebrities see Evangelist Ebuka Obi? A wise man once said, it doesn't matter who hates you, but who loves you matters. Apostle Joshua Selman. That it does not matter who hates you, but who likes you matters. You're talking now, destiny helper. One destiny helper is enough. It takes one Pharaoh to change the life of Joseph. One Pharaoh, it takes him to change the life of Joseph. So it takes one Moses to liberate Ummah's Israel. Destiny helper must not be mad at 20. It is one person. It takes one person. It takes one Jesus to plant the root of the church today. It takes one Peter to become the head of the church today. Come close. Then this video came on Ebeskibo back to Evangelist Ebuka Obi because him and I'm Mbegalaga and attack, but it doesn't matter. It does not matter. What matters is what is that who have that the biggest voice. Come rain, come sun. Jesus is still shutting down the biggest stadium. Multitude of people. What they hire when they camouflage. So not upon this video. What a very, very short. Man, I didn't show no onwelo. Yamota name and keep out we chant God for ma. I pay very, very close attention. I can go then.
Evangelist Ebuka Obi wune masim gijide kiji. Onye hegela de masim onye hi obi wukwa ya channel aha Jesus. Amen. So Apama, my brother went to Ngor Okpala. I am a MC walk over Oshibanala Lotan. Dabanango Okpala. Gahu here, our brother Evangelist Ebuka Obi in Ngor Okpala. Some of you lay quiet, Pama namely. Some of you lay me attack in comment section. Sometimes have you seen why I do ask if you people have what they call thinking faculty? That Evangelist Ebuka Obi with this kind of development, some of you like wakikiki. See, let me tell you people, let me tell you people, Obi got a wound chain. I didn't like wakisi. Bogala water, I got maybe when I do like this. Ebe homa soon, if he did not come back, Lagos, Ebe, you're not this thing. Some you people will come out and say, you left your father's land, Giga, another man's land, lay me badia, lay with the Bekade Chamamalona, Mam him laka. But him Toriku will say, Une, Yarusi to a good thing in Lugaka, learn to embrace good things. I won't any hojo when who look a laying on me. Sometimes you hear them maging on me. Evangelist Ebuka Obi wune masim gijide kiji. Onye hegela de masim onye hi obi wukwa ya channel aha Jesus. Amen. More development. I got them there, but I will soon be there. I'm a gebe. Cause I notice them so obi who are some of you 10. Say it's offering money, it's tight money. Mama can offering money, tight money. We're gonna give head down.
Thank you for watching that very exciting video. Now, before say that it doesn't matter who hates you, who likes you is what matters most. So everything in a mother and wa. Ndina came husband, ndina moroshish, ndina jiroshish. Ndocha you were saying an empty vessel makes the loudest noise. It could be this, it could be getting on social media today. And what they hand up for here. And then I say, no, 100 days, no meronka, that why must you be fasting? That you must not show that you are doing fasting. What then is your problem? Mother say, you know, me fasting. Guinea buchuku. Ibuchuku na afu no me komero. How can you go? fasting abụrụ till imekpọ that 100 days dry. Inwe ike that 100 enwe ike ọ bụrụ 20 days ka imenwu, 6 to 12, 6 to 6. N'oge na Chukwu gị. The most important thing bụ that inside that 100 days ahụ, which na even heaven has marked it that now these people are fasting for 100 days. Even in that 100 days, ọ bụrụ also 20 days ka imenwu, ọ bụrụ 10 days, bụrụ n'ime ya n'obi ọcha gị, ya is your reward. Mana nke ọkwa ndị na-asị na Jesus anọrọ, we find it very very difficult to stay away from that thing ahụ si no bụ problem to you. Bụ na olu ha Ebuka Obi kwuru ya kpọ n'ọnụ. Enwere ihe nji one boy nsị a agwa m ya sị a, Imam Katafo ndị Hausa Gumi na commit the whole atrocities in na commit na Nigeria. The other sheikh Jingiri, Yahaya Jingiri, but akwụ okwu ihe niile okwucha na Nigeria si na Muslim bụ the highest, na ndị ọzọ bụ infidel, na ndị ọzọ bụ ha nweta ha segbuo. Not even one omenala person came out to challenge that statement. Ekwu m ekwesịrị n'ọgụ na Igbo asị na omenala ka ị na-eme. Onye Hausa meeting gị na Kano, Sokoto, Kaduna, Zamfara does not care. He be enyamari, so to them he be Christian. So whether you want to speak against it or you don't want to speak against it, you are also a victim. You are also a victim. Now you just why always attack on the Christianity? If this thing if this thing is not yielding result, if this thing is not tormenting the kingdom of darkness, why are you people always against it? Why are you people some specific set of individual? Why are you people always, Afonyanka Igwe na Afonyanka? Then Imam Fundi Yoruba Kabota Balian de Beha. Yoruba were one of the number of biggest pastors in Nigeria. And a man no katafo ha ka have a problem within them. Man for have a problem within them. Onye ọbụla na-eje nke akpọrọ his own member na-eje nke ya, ma man no ka onye asị onye na-preach kata divert asị ka ọ sakwa onye dị otu okwu, sị ka ọ wọnụ kwa onye dị otu a. Iman no katafo their members ka ha clash online. Gwe ndị redeem ihe niile a na-egwu ha n'ọnụ maka the other GO. You will never see ndị ha na ndị redeem ka ha nwee problem asị ha na the GO ha fake. Na donye nke ha bụ fake. Iman fear. Man also ndị Igbo anyị, they will single out their own dolicha ya in outside, and you think na that dolicha na outside na that thing abalogolo. And it's also a shame to some people in a joker. And just because you don't like a particular person, and you think that your prayer will be answered, and it is you will be the highest anon pamabo Ibalichi Ebuka Obi. If you see with fake account, if you see underground, say KG Ngor Okpala or KG anything else to do with Zion, you are fooling yourself. You are totally fooling yourself. When say all these things soon now parade on online, and I say no matter fasting, no me fasting. Isu yame. Isu yame. Also yame na monome or basaroke. The most important thing that people na abia. Uno say na cash out. All business na go of maka na engomi. Go and start your own. Bido your own business. At least give it a quick cash out. Nichi hogono na kolota and eke ha aka gị ụdọ. No kwa na manya o. Ekene kwa m ọnụ ka ọ dị.